The next vegas to look for is Michael Jackson's nose. Yeah. Good boy. Yeah.
What in the world kind of hiccup is that? Hi. Aw. Poor sweetie.